Well, everybody's heard about the bird, 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 the
Well, hi everybody. I'm Dolly the Love Parrot, and this is the bird. Say hi, Dolly.
Hi, Dolly.
Say whoa, Dolly.
Whoa, Dolly.
Put them together and let me hear you say
Hi, Dolly. Whoa, Dolly.
What are you trying to say?
Get on with the flipping show, Dolly.
We've come here to sing.
Great show for you today. Big star of children's TV, Otis, and also Duck. No, Duck. Oh, never mind. He'll be here later.
Dolly, I thought I was introducing today's guests. After all, I am the show's announcer.
Graham.
Yes.
Duck.
Oh!
Hey, that should do it. Okay, let's look at what the newspapers said about the show. A terrific programme, something for everyone. Brilliantly presented. Sounds great. I must watch Sesame Street sometime. Right, hey, ever wondered what a top TV star does when he or she isn't working? Well, let's have a look at the video diary of Otis.
Hello, viewers. Otis the Aardvark here. Yes, I just had the weirdest dream that all this has happened before yesterday in this very bed and on the day before that. Not surprisingly, though, I live here. Phew, what a close call. Yes, I'd like to show you my video diary, and it's in the bed somewhere. There we go. There it is. Good night. Ow, get off! Oh, you want me to show you the video? Okay, to put it on? Okay, I'll put it on. Hang on. Otis's video dreary. Dreary? But it was quite good. Okay, here we go. In a bit. And put it in like that. There we go. Get in there, get in there, get in there! Pardon? Well, that's just for starters. Right, prepare to be dazzled. Hello, yes, top TV presenter Otis here. How may I help you? Dolly? Studio? Late? What do you mean, Dolly? Oh, my gosh. Yeah, yes, Dolly, on my way, Dolly. Yes, I'm terribly sorry about this. Sorry, Dolly. Blasted alarm! Yeah, well, it's broken now. We never did get on. I better get... All right, Dolly, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. No. Almost fell over. Watch yourself, Otis. The phone. Hello, who's in there? Hello, anybody in? No. Ah, yes. Hello. Yeah, hello. Yes. Ah,
Who's
yes.
that,
Hello.
Yeah, what? It's me.
No, it's me here.
Otis the Aardvark.
What?
Yeah,
We're
and you're late. Oh, what a Charlie.
Taxi. I'm late. Yeah, I'm very late. Yeah. I'll be ready.
Yes, thank you. Very pleasant journey. Yes, thank you very much. Yes. Thank you. Hey?
Where is he then, Fluffball?
Hey-ho, coming, Dolly Polly.
Do you mind, please? I am trying to sort out a crisis here. What do you mean here already?
That's weird. Why do I get the feeling all of this has happened before? Must be deja vu, whatever that is. Hey-ho, coming, Dolly Polly.
Oh, wow!
Now, I have that effect on females. You're either born with it or maybe...
Or you're a bore with it. Now then, let's start off on the right foot, shall we? Ready?
Okay.
Good. Welcome to the show, top children's presenter Otis Armadillo.
Whoa, Aardvark. Otis the Aardvark, that's me.
Oh, my notes had you down as an armadillo.
Yeah,
Kill that researcher.
Yeah, well, I'm not an armadillo. I have never been an armadillo, and I never will be an armadillo. I am an aardvark. If you cut us, do we not bleed? If you tweak our noses, do we not sneeze?
I thought armadillo and aardvark were the same. Sorry, Dolly.
Yes, I know now. It's too late. You made a fool of me and Otis. I ought to sack you. Well, it's her fault. Oh, all right, calm down. I forget... Where's she gone?
They're nice. You got any more?
Otis, you didn't.
I did.
Otis Aardvark, you can't do that on my show. You know the first rule of television. Do not eat the staff.
Yes, sorry, I missed breakfast this morning, Dolly. Oh, repeats on your mind. Not like ants. I love ants. Have you got any?
No, I have not.
No, ants in your pants. How can that be annoying? It must be heaven. Like having living popcorn in your trousers, Dolly. Imagine.
Will you stop going on about food?
Sorry, Dolly, but I came straight here and I'm starving.
It's all right, it's all right. Please, Otis.
Yes.
I'm sure the audience wants to know, what's Josie, your co-presenter, like?
Josie, oh, the way she moves. Her voice.
Okay, she can walk and talk. What else?
That's it, really. Picks her nose now and then.
Okay, finally. Do you enjoy being at the top?
Yes. I've always been at the top. You look in any telephone or showbiz directory, and you'll find Otis Aardvark right there at the top of the first page. Well, second, actually, Dolly, below Aaron Aardvark, the rotten cheat.
What do you mean, cheat?
Well, his first name's really Zebediah, and he's a zebra. Zebediah Zebra. He should be last.
Oh, I see. Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for, but it's been a rare pleasure to meet you, luckily. So, please put your hands together for Otis Aardvark!
Tinkle.
Otis, you wouldn't. You haven't. You didn't.
Would have did. Oh, sorry.
Once. Just once. Could an interview go according to plan? Not too much to ask, surely.
What do I say about expenses, Dolly?
You've just eaten them.
Of course, Dolly, yes. Well, thanks for everything, especially the audience. They were lovely. Ta-ta, bye.
Otis the Aardvark. Not so much of a legend, more a lunchbox. Right now, though, it's over to Mr. Magic.
Yes, I am going to put my head under the razor-sharp blade of death. Drum roll, please. Right, now when I say, and only when I say.
You're
right.
Ready. A bit of practice should put that right, Mr. Magic. Then it'll take your head off properly. Right now, my next guest has made sensational allegations against the top duck stars. So let's hear what it's all about from the duck.
Hello.
Now, as I understand it, you claim that the world's most popular duck entertainers stole their ideas from you.
That is correct, that's right, yes. And I'm very angry about it.
How did this happen?
Well, I used to be famous for my duck characters and voices, but every time I performed, for example, one of them, it would be ripped off by another duck who'd become a star, when it should have been me.
Even Donald Duck?
He was the first.
Daffy Duck?
Him too.
Ed the Duck?
He's another.
The Ugly Duckling?
No, that wasn't me.
Toilet Duck?
I went before I came on, thank you.
What a sensational claim! Could you do the original impressions so the viewers can judge for themselves how you were cheated?
Of course. I was born to perform.
Do you need a microphone?
What's the microphone? Oh, yeah. Okay, here goes. First, Daffy Duck. Oh no, if Elmer Fudd catches me, thank you, you won't have any trouble getting this one. Hello, everybody. My name's Ed the Duck. See?
I can't say I'm convinced.
Oh, all right then, Donald Duck. You pesky nephews, get out of the greenhouse before I get you out of the greenhouse. There, it's uncanny, isn't it?
This is just an excuse to get on television, isn't it?
No. Who's this? I'll get up when I'm ready, Mother.
Absolutely no idea.
It's me. That's my real voice. It's uncanny, isn't it?
Listen, I've seen some cheap gimmicks, including Mr. Magic.
Hey, I heard that.
But you take the biscuit. Now clear off with your stories.
I can do film stars. Go ahead, Duck. Make my day.
Just go.
I'll be back. Oh, no, Quackenegger. He stole that, you know.
Go!
Peekaboo, I can see you. Peking Duck, get it?
I said go!
Ah. What's this? Roast duck. Somebody put me out.
I wish they would. What some people will do to get on television, it's disgraceful. Well, that just about brings us to the end of another show. And don't forget, well, whatever it is you need to remember. And remember, don't miss next week's show with more celebrity guests and me, Dolly Bird. See ya!
I could have been a contender.